Are you curious about how to participate in government-seized property auctions in Bexar County, Texas? Today, I will guide you step by step through the process of navigating the tax assessor's website and pinpointing the exact auction list you need. This isn't just another tutorial. Equip yourself with the knowledge to succeed in Bexar County's competitive market. Are you ready to transform your investment strategy? Watch now and let me show you how to tap into these hidden opportunities. Your journey to success starts here. Hi, my name is Linda. I have been one of Ted.Thomas's research experts since 2018. Today, I'm going to show you how to find the upcoming auction list in Bexar County, Texas. Bexar County is one out of 259 counties in Texas. The first place you're going to go to is the Bexar County website. Now, once you get here, you need to go to the tax assessors section. So to do that, you're going to hover over government, hover over offices and departments, scroll down until you see tax assessor/collector's office. Now, once we get here, if you scroll down, you can see there is a tab labeled property tax. There's also a little arrow that you can do a drop-down menu. If you scroll down, you'll be able to see a document titled Public Sale of Properties. This is going to be a PDF document. Here we have a one-page document that's going to tell you when the auction takes place, where the auction takes place, and how to register for the auction. And if you scroll further, they will provide you a link that has the tax auction list. This site is referring us to taxsales.lgbs.com. This is a third-party site that will publish the list online. So let's go ahead and click on it. Now, once you get here, for safe measures, I always like to redo that I want Bexar County when I do a select a county, even though we did do that earlier. Now hover over the sales date and pick which auction list you would like to receive. Now, in case you didn't know, Texas hosts auctions once a month on the first Tuesday of the month. Once you insert that information, now on the right-hand side, we receive the auction list. Now, even though the auction list is online, Bexar County does hold their auctions live in person on the courthouse steps. You should refer back to the original one-page document to find the specific details of the upcoming auction. That is how you get the tax auction list in Bexar County. Thank you for watching.